Alright guys, Mr. Barnes here again, bring you another awesome math video. This one, going with my obsession with absolute value. I've done a bunch of videos, so guys, if you're looking for something more introductory, go back and take a look at my other videos, and then you can run over there and check them out. And it's more of they had sort of introduced the idea of what to do, understanding where that comes from. So I'm just going to kind of do this as if you kind of have that understanding, and then how do you get through these questions. Alright, so the limit as x goes to 2 from the, so this means left side, of course. So again, we have to make the decision what's happening here. So this is the rule, right? So if we have a negative slope, then that means we have to reverse this symbol. So we go with the opposite of what's there. So it's going to be 2 minus x. We just take the plus of it. And then we can go ahead and reduce this guy down or factor it. So x minus 2, x plus 2. So maybe I should just give a brief explanation on this. So 2. Here's my cheat rule. So if I have a positive slope plus slope from the right side, so right side, same side. Okay. Positive slope, left side, same. So you take whatever sign it is. So if I have something like, instead of x minus 2 minus x, we have x minus 2. If it was from the right side, I would take x minus 2. If it was from the left side, I would take negative x minus 2. So it's exactly the opposite in this scenario we have. So if we have a negative slope, right side, we change it. If we have a negative slope, left side, we change it. So in this case, from the right side, it would look like negative x, 2 minus x, and then from the left side, it would look like 2 minus x, which is what we have done. Alright, so if you need a better explanation of why this is, so the why of it, go back and look at my other videos. Alright, so now that we have this, what I need to do, and you need to factor out a negative out of this guy. So if I factor a negative out, I get left with x minus 2. And there we have it, cancellation, which is what we want to do with all these indeterminate forms. This is 0 of 0 again, guys. So cancel, cancel. So it's negative 1 over 2 plus 2, which is negative 1 over 4. Not too shabby. All right, let's give the next one a shot. So the next one in your calculus book looks a little bit like, well, it looks a little bit like this. So it's the exact same question, except from the right side. So again, if we have a negative slope and we have a plus, so the negative slope, so we have the opposite signs in the slope and the plus, we have to change it. So let's see. So we take the opposite of this. So it's going to be limit as x goes to 2 from the plus side, negative 2 minus x, all over factor the bottom again. So this time I distribute through. Limit is x to plus side, so it's going to be x minus 2 over x minus 2. And these cancel, so I get limit as x 2 for the plus side. So remember, if you get cancel with nothing on top, you get 1 over that number, x plus 2. So now I go ahead and I'm going to fill in evaluate my limit, so 1 over 2 plus 2, which is 1 over 4. Donezo. So if you want to make a comment about if you had this limit, so the limit as x goes to 2 of 2 minus x all over x squared minus 4, what we could say is that this guy does not exist because one-sided limits are not equal. And there it is. So hopefully, guys, this makes sense. And absolute value limits are one of those staple things of calculus exams that everyone seems to dislike. So hopefully my obsession with it is helping you guys out. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.